Hello, everybody. So, who am I with?
You are with Herbert Ngadi, the coordinator of the. I don't even know much now as to where should I start because I'm both the coordinator of the Global Development Council.
Mhm.
Now they saying I'm the coordinator of the big event that is coming to the 19th Episcopal District, being hosted on behalf of the GDC districts. So I'm the coordinator of the local organizing committee of the 40th session of the biennial of the Connectional Lay organization.
Oh,
An
wow.
event that is coming to our shores after 115 years since the establishment of the Lay Main
Wow.
organization. And you know that 40 years or 40 just as a number, it's a very significant number. So
Wow.
we will be hosting this convention from the
Mhm.
11th to the, from the 8th to the 11th
Mhm.
of August 2027.
Wow.
People think 2027, when you say 2027, is still too far. We are left with 14 months. And the registration amount has already been set, is $300, which converted into today's currency on the market will be 4,950. And we're hoping that the rand will keep on gaining power so that the registration becomes less. But we're inviting all people, we're inviting all AMEs to
Mhm.
come to this biggest event, which has never been hosted outside the continent of outside the United States, and it will be the first time that it's coming to the continent of Africa. We
Mm.
can't miss it. It has to be something that everybody marvels about it,
Mhm.
and it might not happen again in the next 100 years. So
Wow.
if you don't come, you'll be missing out.
Hey.
And the registration is what I've said. You don't have to fly to the United States. It's coming to us. We're not going to it. So we're inviting everybody to register and make sure that you are part of this momentous
Mhm.
and this historic event that will be taking place in the African soil,
Mhm.
in the African Methodist Episcopal Church, in the leadership of the senior bishop of the African Methodist Episcopal Church. By the way, he will be celebrating 50 years in ministry.
Wow.
So we have got a range of celebrations that are coming next year.
Mhm.
So get ready, make sure that you are there.
Mm.
And if you're not there, you will miss out.
Hey.
So we're inviting everybody. Whether
Wow.
you have joined the lay in terms of being an organized lay member, or you are an ordinary member of the lay, because in the AME church, all but the pastors are lay people.
Mhm.
But you're also inviting bishops, because on that occasion, all the bishops of the African Methodist Episcopal Church, all 21 who are in the bench, and all those who are retired are going to be in the African soil. Can you imagine? Bishops of the AME Church, all of them in one accord, in one place, in
Yes.
Sandton.
Wow.
Wouldn't that be something that we will marvel
Yes.
forever and ever? So
Yes.
we want people to come to this event. We
Wow.
went to the ACE League. We know they are powerful.
Yes.
The ACE League, we know they've got the numbers. They will
Mhm.
be there. We're
Most
talking to
definitely.
WMS, they will be there. But they are also members of the lay, by the way. We're talking
Mhm.
to the RIAC, the young people must show up because they might not see it again. This is in our lifetime. The YPDS. We're asking the mothers to pay for the YPDS to come and observe this occasion because most of the time we go overseas to to these events. We have never seen them coming to us. So we're not going there, the event is coming to us. So
Yes.
I am saying, please come to the 40th session of the Connectional Biennial that is coming to our shores, themed under the African sky.
Mm.
You can see the logo. The logo
Mhm.
tells it all. You
Yes.
see the African magic when you
Mm.
look at that logo. So it will be under the African sky in Santen Convention Center. The hotels that will be hosting is Santen Convention, Santen Sun, Santen Towers, and the Holiday Inn. But we are also talking to the guest houses around Santen. There are more than, I'm told, more than 40 hotels around Santen. So we're negotiating with those people for better prices. Come one, come all, let's do it.
Wow. How long have you been the lay organization member?
I can't recall now, but I've been in the lay organization forever.
Wow.
And being in the lay organization from local church,
Mm-hmm.
I was the president at the local church. I became a DLA at the local church. I became the president of the presiding elder district.
Mm-hmm.
I then became the Episcopal director of lay activities for two successive terms.
Mm-hmm.
And I got the liking of the church from the lay organization, a teaching wing which has taught me and made me who I am.
Mm. Wow, that's a long time. So, how can you inspire young people to stay in the church?
In fact, on the 6th of May, I'm having a presentation that I'm doing to talk about how we can make sure that the young people stays in the church.
Mm-hmm.
Because perhaps the elderly people are still sticking to the old ways of doing things,
Yes.
and we need to start changing and making sure that we attract the young people and give them what they want, because if we don't, they're going to leave the church. So I'm pleading with them. I for one, I will never exchange the AME church for any other thing.
Wow. Oh, wow, that's wonderful. Thank you so much, guys. Do come to the biennial
The fourth year's
convention.
biennial session of the
Please.
Connectional Lay Organization. By the way, the senior bishop of this church, as I said earlier, is hosting this event. He
Yes.
will be celebrating 50 years of his ministry next year.
Mm.
What about that? The Connectional Lay president of the lay organization is the son of the soil. It's
Yeah.
happening right in our backyard.
Yeah. And this
God
gives
has
us
opened up.
motivation as well.
Exactly. God has opened
Yeah.
up. And we
Yeah.
just need to grab the opportunity and run with it
Thank
and
you.
show the Connectional Church who we are, what are we made of, that we can do it. Let's do it.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're
This was
welcome.
wonderful.
Thanks for having me. And I
Yes.
hope the message will reach all those who might not have been in these meetings that we have been talking about, and then they will be there. Thank you so
Yes.
very much.
Thank you.